Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, being ad certified advertising professional, owner of a Google Party company, and SEO expert as well as a digital marketing consultant. So today I have a question related to SEO, search and optimization, and that is regarding sudden increase or too much increase or spike in the Google traffic, which was shown in Search Console. Let me show you as well, so you guys have an idea on this as well. So, guys, this is a search console, and the question is regarding surely those cannot be accurate. Yes, I've been extremely focused on optimizing content last week, but this seems odd. Too much increase in search console. And let me show you. Okay, here is a search console performance for the last 3 months, and okay, so you got a sudden increase. Like if I see your data, it's like in suddenly 250 to 300 impression you got in a day, where I assume that you're getting less than 100 impressions, around 30 to 40. So if it's up for a single day, you do not need to concern, because the spikes can result, because the rankings on search engine is always fluctuating. Someday you see your site on the top, and someday you see, well, then you may have done, because you said that you have done changes on your website and you have been active from the last week, and you can see that I've been extremely focused on optimizing the content the last week. So this may be a small effect from that, but we may need to wait a little bit, and we may need to see how does your content perform over the next few days. And if it's consistent, then it means that that's congratulations, your strategies are working well, and you may need to do other strategies so that you can stay at this ranking or even go further. But in case if it's just for a single day, you can ignore it. So this can happen once in a while, because as I told before, that the fluctuations may happen, and you may see in certain improvements or certain decrease, especially when you are working on and me like, if a domain or a website is dead and suddenly you started working on it as SEO purposes, then you may see such sudden spikes as well, and this may be fairly common, being an SEO expert. So yeah, you may need to do SEO audit, technical audit. You may need to do on-page audit, off-page audit. You may need to work on backlinks. You may need insights. Me and my team can help you. Just follow the link in the description so you can work with me and your team, and we can help you in creating an awesome SEO strategy, and we can even help you in ranking your website. So I hope this answers your question regarding uh, sudden spike in your search website traffic, and sudden spike in increase in your impressions on search console. So if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding the video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.